Hi everybody, Jerry here. I'm about to get on the ice, but first I want to say, always safety first. No need to do anything stupid, but I'm going to be getting out on the ice. I was driving around, and between driving and walking for about an hour, and decided that this was the safest corner to fish in. But I didn't take any core samples, so I'm probably going to walk 5-10 feet out. The ice looks about close to 4 inches. Then I'm going to take a core sample and deem if it's a little safer. I can see some holes out there, so people are out there on the ice. But I'm going to get going. I'm going to start fishing, and if we get out there, we'll talk about more about what we're doing, and hopefully we'll pick something up. I haven't done this in a long time, so who knows? Maybe something's biting. All right, let's get going. It seems at least 3 inches. I don't hear any cracking. Moving slow. So I'm just going to take a sample here. I just want to see how thick this is if we even start. Should consider safety first. Oh wow, yeah, that's about it. Yeah, that's 6 inches. All right, let's go a little further, check that out. So I'm gonna start jigging on the bottom and then slowly work it up. A fairly large Bobby spoon, but there are possibility, of course, bluegills. I'm fishing a little big for them. Crappie, perch, largemouth bass. I don't think smallmouth are in this corner, but it's a possibility. There are some trout and possibly big ones too. Pickerel, largemouth bass, and carp, catfish, and anything else is possible. So I'm gonna crank it up a little. And I'm just using spoons today, and maybe might put on a dropper fly. But that was just the plan. Just checking this out, and I'm gonna try a Castmaster. Just using all different, actually, it's about the chartreuse I'm feeling, but we'll try him next. Now I'm going to try jigging from the top down. These fish, especially the trout, they'll cruise about 6 feet under the ice. 2 feet at a time, just jigging. Hopefully they see that flash from afar. There are other ways to do it, so I just got out here for the day and playing with the drill and some of this ice gear. Real fun stuff. Remember, always safety first. So here, I'm going to try out my wrap. my eye. I got the jig on there. Got the wrap over here. Some bait would be supreme, but I think it's in the 20s today. The high's supposed to be 26. Up here it might be a little lower, maybe 22, 24. But you dress warm, and maybe we'll do a video on that, and you're plenty good. You dress plenty warm in the cold weather. I got on actually 2 pairs of long johns, my jeans, a couple of pairs of wool socks, 2 sweatshirts, windbreaker, padded vest, long john top, and a long t-shirt under that. And I think I might have on another shirt. I have a regular cotton wool cap and 2 overhoods. So, and it takes, actually, you dressed warm like that, it'll take that heat from the core of your body, and your hands actually will stay warm longer. I got gloves too if I need them. I'm gonna try one over here. Some bait right about now would be supreme. I have some tip ups. I'm gonna try those next. Maybe with some mealy worms or wax worms or whatever we can get. But right now I just wanted to check out the ice today, and I'm not expecting much. If I pick one out, that'd be great. There's other spots where I really would like to fish, but like I said, just playing it safe. The ice seems to be plenty thick here, so I didn't like how it looked at a couple spots where I wanted to fish, but we're fishing, so I'm happy. So I dug out a couple of holes here, and I'm just not getting any bites. I'm just shifting over. Probably 1, 2, 3, this is the 4th spot. I'll jig up and down in here. About 10, 15 minutes. A little bigger on the left, a little smaller on the right. And I am using dropper flies now. So I drilled a couple holes, slowly working my way out. A solid 6 inches here, easy. And over there too. And I'm just following my course. I've been itching to try this spot. Just wanted to get out here safely. You can see it. Got the hole done, just got to skim it, and hopefully we'll get something. If not, beautiful day out. Let me check this out. Okay. Oh, right. Crappie through the ice. We got him. We found him. He's a keeper too. Wow, never done that in decades. Never really did it too serious, but that is cool. Okay, maybe there's more where he came from. I'm gonna get him on his way. Let me just show you what I'm using. This is a Castmaster. I think that's 1/4 ounce. This is my heavier setup. Might add a few more if I can use the lighter one more often. And actually I put a very light, small clouser. Probably could trim it, but hopefully it gets a little bigger. But that's how I'm set up. It's like a surffish or easy, right? Okay, I think I'm going to drill one over there. And I'm probably going to drill my way back to shore, try some shallow water. I think it's about 10 feet here where we had the fish. I think it was about 14 feet. Over there, I think it's a little bit less, probably 7, 8 feet. And I think it maintains about between 7 and 8 feet. There might be a hole inside here, a little deeper. I'm going to try a little shallow water. I know that there's weeds that come up underneath. I'm going to fish my way back. As the sun sets, and just walk off the ice. And remember, always safety first. Alright, remember, always safety first. It's getting dark now, so I am going to fish my way in. I'm going to drill a couple holes. The sun is below the horizon. Maybe I got 15 minutes. So I'm just trying one of these holes that I drilled to see if I can pull one out. I had one chase me up, but I'm getting going. This was fun. I'm definitely doing this again. Might do it a little different next time. Hopefully there'll be thicker ice and we can hit different spots. But really fun day out. Dress warm, stay safe, and fish your way. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed the day, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as me. But thanks again for watching. Please like, dislike, comment, whatever you have to say. Subscribe to the channel or not. And remember, always fish your way. And thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. And have a great afternoon, night, evening, morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Anyway, and thanks again for watching.